Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 3 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy. The word for about, as in about a subject, is 关于. 关于. So, knowing that 关于 means about, how do you say I know a lot about China? Did you say 我知道很多关于中国? Now this would be the wrong word order. 关于中国 modifies the verb 知道, so it has to go in front of the verb like this. 关于中国我知道很多. More examples. 关于这件事，我们还没有决定呢。关于出国学习的事，妈妈已经同意了。关于这个工作，还有什么问题吗？我最近看了一些关于中国文化的电影。关于中国文化 about Chinese culture. 关于中国文化的电影 movies about Chinese culture. 我最近看了一些关于中国文化的电影。Let's take a look at an example of how to use 关于。这是什么？这是一本书。这是一本关于什么的书？这是一本关于 Korean 韩语的书。那这本呢？这是一本关于什么的书？这是一本关于中文汉语的书。So there you have it. 关于 means about. But don't forget, 关于 something has to go in front of the verb. 关于中国，我了解很多。关于他，我认识很多。And not, 我了解很多关于中国。我了解他，我了解很多关于他。So there you have it. This is a very simple grammar lesson. All you have to remember is that 关于 literally translates about. If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK 3 video course, which includes 187 videos that will teach you grammar and vocabulary, help you complete pair activities, and test your writing with dictation exercises. This course also comes with quizzes, interactive flashcards, and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK 3 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore. The first unit of each course is available as free preview. Just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen. Keep in mind that once you buy a course, you have it forever. Say goodbye to monthly subscription fees. Buy once, enjoy forever, plain and simple. The pricing is very affordable. Join us on the way to Chinese mastery, and I'll see you in the course.